How to make money with Temu in 2026. Temu has become one of the most downloaded shopping apps in the world, and that massive user base creates real money making opportunities for people who understand how the platform works. But most of the Make Money with Temu content online is going to focus on one thing: the referral program. And while the referral program is an income path, it's not the only one, and it's not necessarily the best one for building sustainable income. Now, this video is going to cover every legitimate way to make money through Temu in 2026, and the referral program with the most honest income expectations, the affiliate program with realistic conversion data, the reselling opportunity, and the content creator path that is producing inconsistent income for people who build it correctly. No hype, no misleading screenshots, just an accurate picture of what's actually working. Now, Temu is a Chinese e-commerce marketplace owned by PDD Holdings, the same company behind Pinduoduo, and it sells consumer goods at remarkably low prices by connecting buyers directly to Chinese manufacturers using a combination of aggressive subsidization and tight supply chain control to undercut competitors dramatically. Now, a phone case that sells for $15 on Amazon often lists for $1 on Temu. A kitchen gadget at $30 on Amazon is $4 on Temu. Now, the business model for Temu involves subsidizing prices to acquire user and reviews at scale, similar to how Amazon subsidized its marketplace to build the dominant position it has today. Now, whether that model is sustainable long term is a different question. For now, the prices are real, the products arrive, and hundreds of millions of people are buying from the platform regularly. Now, this user base and platform structure creates several income opportunities. Now, first and foremost, we have Temu's affiliate program, which is accessible through their website or through affiliate networks with pays commissions when people you refer make purchases on the actual platform. So, what you can do is you can simply go to their affiliate or referral program where you can simply go ahead and act as an affiliate client. Now, the commission structure of 2026 is 5 to 20% commission on purchases made through your affiliate link, with specific percentages varying by product category and promotional periods. Now, new users purchase typically earn higher commissions than returning user purchases. The honest reality of Temu affiliates income, because Temu's prices are so low, the commission amounts are also small. A $5 order at 10% commission earns $0.5. A $50 order earns $5. Building meaningful affiliate income requires driving substantial volume, many clicks, many purchases, or attracting buyers who make large haul orders. Now, the content creators earning significant Temu affiliate income in 2026 are doing so through high traffic content, YouTube videos, reviewing Temu products that rank for search terms like Temu kitchen gadget reviews or best Temu home finds. Now, the monetization model on YouTube specifically, a video reviewing 5 Temu kitchen, works, or, 5 Temu kitchen gadgets get 100,000 views. If 2% of viewers click the affiliate link and 30% of those make purchase averaging $30 to, $60, that's 600 purchases at $3 to $6 average commission. So that math scales well for creators who can produce ranking content consistently. Now, the referral program is different from the affiliate program. Temu's referral system invites existing users to earn credits, cash, or free items by inviting the new users who sign up through their referral link. Now, the honest truth about referral program, the headline offers you can earn $100 per referral or get free items for every sign up, which are typically limited to first-time user referrals who meet specific purchase conditions, and the referral bonuses change frequently based on Temu's promotional periods. Now, that said, for people who large social following, or people with large social followings, or actual active community groups, have a lot of great working to provide on Temu's referral programs. And that said, you can get a pretty good ranking on the budgeting out of it with supplemental income for people who enjoy deal sharing in any way. Now, the third income path is Temu's dramatically low prices, which create a reselling arbitrage opportunity, buying products from Temu and selling them at markup on other platforms. Now, this is quite a well established e commerce model applied to Temu's specific price advantage. Now, the mechanics, you identify products on Temu that are going to sell significantly on Amazon, eBay, or Facebook. Like, let's say I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this Stanley Cup. You purchase in quantity from Temu, potentially adding your own branding or packaging and list them on higher margin platforms like, Amazon Marketplace, etc. Now, products that work well for Temu reselling tend to be generic consumer goods without strong brand recognition, and items where your listing photos and copywriting on clearly outperform the manufacturer's generic Temu listing, and items where shipping time from Temu isn't a competitive disadvantage because you're buying inventory in advance. Now, the challenges of Temu reselling shipping time from Temu makes it difficult to fulfill orders quickly as you need to purchase inventory, product quality inconsistency, and Temu products vary in quality, and reviews on the platform don't always predict what you will actually receive. And as most people discover the arbitrage opportunity, the price gap actually narrows. Now, the most successful Temu resellers in 2026 combine private labeling, adding their own brand to Temu sourced generic products, with Amazon FBA or Shopify stores creating a more defensible business than pure commodity earnings. Now, for content creators pursuing the Temu review channel path, the workflow that produces consistent content efficiently is here. You can order in batches, place one Temu order per week with 8 to 12 items across 2 to 3 content categories. This creates a pipeline of content so you're never waiting for products to arrive before you can film. You can film all reviews from one order in a single session, and this batching approach means you're filming once per week, but publishing content 3 to 5 times per week from the batch. Now, the Temu money-making methods that don't work as advertised are multi-level sharing schemes where the value declines rapidly as you go deeper into the network, fake review services which violate Temu's terms and in many markets violate FTC regulations. Now, Temu provides legitimate income opportunities through affiliate content creation, the referral program for those with active social communities, retail arbitrage, and reselling for those with e-commerce experience, and content creation focused on Temu product reviews and hauls. The income is quite real. It requires genuine effort and consistency, and the most successful approaches treat Temu as an income tool within a broader content or e-commerce business rather than as a standalone passive income source. So you can start with content creation and affiliate links if you're new, and it's the path with the highest ceiling and the lowest upfront cost. That is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.